what the WhatsApp single take only means. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged into your account and select on the chat that you want to see. On the screen, you can see there is two tick mark or two check marks beside the message. So if you only have a single tick or single gray tick mark, what that means is that a message from your phone has been delivered to the WhatsApp servers. But the WhatsApp servers have not been able to deliver to the recipient's phone. So it means that your internet is working fine and your WhatsApp is working fine, and it sent that message over to the WhatsApp servers. However, WhatsApp was unable to send it to whoever you were trying to send it. So what this commonly means is that the internet is turned off or the phone is turned off and WhatsApp was not able to get in contact with the phone to deliver that message. And then of course, once it's delivered, it will switch to two gray tick marks over here just like on the screen. And once the recipient has read it, then it will switch over. You can see two blue tick marks on each message. So that will go from one gray tick mark to two gray tick marks to two blue tick marks. However, sometimes that's so immediate and fast that you don't see the transition and it just happens immediate. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.